order ID, then remitter retriever reference. Then you follow the process. You check, make sure you check this box, then you press next. Thereafter, it's loading. Let it finish loading. Then you see your remitter here. So make sure you copy the remitter retriever reference so that in case of you want to make the payment, you'll be able to, or by the time you have made the payment, you go back to your portal, it will request for that remitter retriever reference. So you'll be able to just type it in there. That is the confirmation. That was the one. Through that, you'll be able to fund your e-wallet. So with this, I will submit. But for now, I've already done that. I made just some payment. And you can go further in any of these that you want to make. Either you're using card, you're using bank transfer, USSD, e-Naira, bank branch, remitter, wallet, phone number, whichever one is you prefer in all of this. So you choose from it. I would not want to continue from it, but if just to give you a confirmation, you press this. So with this now, it has generated, has shown the bank account, bank number you want to make payment to, the bank name. Then you copy the bank name, the bank account, the bank number, or the account number. Then thereafter, you make sure you make the payment. The time here is showing, so the time it has given to you, you have under 30 minutes. You should be able to do the. So automatically after making the payment, you go back to your portal. Let me back it. So you go back to your portal. The same process as you log in the other time. So you come back, here you see you want to check your status. Check payment status. Then there it will require that you enter the RRR below, that is a remitter retriever reference as the RRR. So after putting in the whole thing, you check. So you check, make sure that there is no space in the number. You must make sure that you copy the numbers without space. So after you have done that, your e-wallet will be funded automatically. It will tell you successful, to show successful. So you will see, you'll be able to check your status. Then thereafter, want to register for the semester now. You go back to home. Sorry. Yes, go back to home. At the home, you will see register for the semester. Still loading. Let's wait a bit. It's loading. So you see register for the semester. So then you can now come in here. The payment I have to make has been shown here, so I can see the payment for me to make for this semester is this. So I can now press register for the semester. So registration has been successfully done, and here is my balance now. So I have 3,750 left. So for this semester I've just registered. So and that's it. You've just successfully registered and log in to your student portal. From your dashboard you can check, or if it is result you want to check. Meanwhile, that does not stop you from checking your result before now, because if you want to check for the last semester's result, you should be able to do that even without making payment for the present semester. So you can check your register courses and access other services. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful NOUN guides. Thank you.